Good day, everyone. Here are some of the basic ingredients I'm going to be using for this artichoke and spinach dip. I have some plant-based mayo, some seasonings, some artichoke, spinach, green onion, and vegan cheese. If you're not already aware, there is plant-based sour cream and cream cheese. However, they were not available to me. I checked several stores this particular day and none of them had it, so I went with the alternative, which is the plant-based mayo. The first thing I'm going to do here is drain all of the liquid off of these artichokes. Now I'm just going to give them a good chop because I don't want to have huge chunks inside of my dip. Now I'm going to add some vegan butter to my pan so I can saute my artichokes and spinach. And I'm going to do the same thing with my spinach. I'm just going to chop it up a bit because I don't want to have that huge lumps of spinach in my dip. We all know how spinach operates, so I am going to be adding a whole bag of 12 ounces of spinach. Fresh green onion. A dollop of mild salsa just to give it a little kick. Seasoning salt to taste. I love the health benefits of turmeric, so I put it in almost any dish that I can. Garlic powder. I didn't add in any fresh onion, but I am going to add in some dried minced onion and some onion powder. Cayenne pepper. Now I'm just going to continue to give this a good mix until it's nice and soft. So after a few minutes, this is the consistency that I want it to be. I'm going to turn the heat completely off and add in my Mexican style vegan cheese and about 1/3 of this tube of vegan mayo. To be honest, you could go ahead and eat it like this. It would be perfectly fine. However, I am going to place this in a glass dish and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Top it with some cheese and chives because I just love chives. After baking for 15 minutes on 360, I put it on broil for 2 minutes. Here is the finished product. So if you are vegan, let me know what you think about this recipe. Have you tried it before? It was pretty good. Thanks for watching.